Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the freight rate structure. Let's get started. In international trade, shipping companies must manage complex cost structures that are influenced by global economic factors such as fuel prices and currency exchange rates. To ensure financial stability and fair pricing, carriers apply specific adjustment mechanism known as the bunker adjustment factor or BAF and currency adjustment factor or CAF. These changes are essential parts of the freight rate structure, allowing shipping lines to adapt to changing operational costs without renegotiating contracts for every fluctuation. In practice, BAF bunker adjustment factor reflects the impact of fuel market volatility, while CAF currency adjustment factor addresses the risk from currency value shift. Okay, I hope you understand the concept about the freight rate structure, bunker adjustment factor, and currency adjustment factor. And in here, I will give you more detail about the differences between these. BAF bunker adjustment factor. The bunker adjustment factor or BAF is a surcharge added to the base freight rate to cover fluctuations in the price of ship fuel known as bunker fuel. Okay, you can see in here the images of ship and bunker related with fuel. And if you know the price of fuel can change every time depend on the situation of the global. What the purpose of this bunker adjustment factor? The purpose of this shipping companies apply BAF bunker adjustment factor to protect themselves from sudden increases or decreases in fuel prices, which can significantly affect operation costs. Okay, the purpose of this BAF bunker adjustment factor to adjusting for fuel cost fluctuations. Sometimes the prices of this increasing and sometimes decreasing depend on the situation. For example, if the base ocean freight rate is 1000 USD and the BEF is 15%, the total freight charge, so the price become, for example, the base ocean freight rate 1000 USD and plus 15% of this, and the total is 1150 USD. Okay, BAF bunker adjustment factor adjustment for fuel cost changes. Next, go to currency adjustment factor or CAF. What the definition of this? The currency adjustment factor or CAF is a surcharge applied to freight rates to compensate for fluctuation in exchange rates between currency used in shipping transactions, usually using USD, US dollar, and local currency. What the purpose of this currency adjustment factor? CF answers that carriers are not affected by losses due to currency depreciations or appreciations when they operate in different countries. For the example of this, if a carrier's costs are in Japanese yen but freight rates are charged in USD, CAF helps stabilize income despite exchange rate movement. Okay, and then CAF is adjustment for currency exchange rate changes. If you see in the bunker adjustment factor related to fuel prices, but for this currency adjustment factor related to currency value. Next, I will give you the story for this item, BAF and CAF. How BAF and CAF work in international shipping. A shipping company named, for example, Ocean Line Logistics operates cargo ships that transport containers from Jakarta, Indonesia to Rotterdam, Netherlands. They agree with exporters to charge $1,000 per container as the base ocean freight rate. And for making the role of BAF, bunker adjustment factor, 1 month later, global oil prices suddenly rise because of tensions in the Middle East. Since ships use bunker fuel to operate, Ocean Line's fuel costs increase sharply. If the company keeps the old rate, it will lose money on every shipment. To solve this, they apply a bunker adjustment factor or BAF of 15%. So the new freight rate becomes base rate $1,000 plus BAF bunker adjustment factor 15%. So the total of this freight rate becomes $1,150 per container. This extra charge helps the company cover the rising cost of fuel and keep operations stable. And what the role of CAF, currency adjustment factor? Meanwhile, another issue appears. The company's main currency for contracts is US dollar, but many of its expenses, like port handling in Europe, are paid in euros or EUR. When the euro strengthens against the dollar, the company needs more US dollar to pay the same amount in euro. This could reduce their profit or even cause a loss. To prevent that, ocean lines apply a currency adjustment factor CEF of 5%. So the final charge become $1,000 plus 15% BAF plus 5% CAF. So the total charge becomes $1,200 per container. So what the conclusion of this? By using BAF and CAF, Ocean Line can keep its business stable despite global price and currency changes, and offer customer predictable pricing that adjusts fairly based on market condition. And what the summary of this? BAF protects against fuel price volatility. CAF protects against currency exchange fluctuation. I hope you understand for this explanation. If you have any question, you can comment on below this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time and goodbye.